Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Alien. Today I will tell you some interesting facts about flamingo. Do you think how do they get pink color body? By food. Yes, you heard it is right. Food of flamingo decide its body color. Group of flamingo called flamingos. They eat algae shrimps. They stand on one leg. To save energy, they can also stand in one leg while sleeping. One more interesting fact about flamingo. Flamingo can drink boiled water also because they live in salty lakes. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Amazing Alien.